If x minus 2 over 5 equals p, and p is equal 7, what is value of x? We have given that p is 7, so we can copy our equation. We have x minus 2 over 5 is equal p. P we have given, that is 7, so we can substitute p by 7, so we have x minus 2 over 5 is equal 7. And now, because we have fraction on the left side, so to reduce this fraction, I will multiply both sides by denominator, so times 5, both sides. So 5 and 5 we can reduce on the left side, and we have only x minus 2 is equal 5 times 7 times 5 is 35. Next, I will move negative 2 to the right side, so x is equal 35, and when I move always to the other side I have to change the sign, negative, so now will be positive 2. So we have x is equal 37. We found the value of x. This is my solution.